In today's video, I'm going to teach you add bevel modifier from the modifier panel, most common. We're focusing on the simplest, most reliable way to soften those sharp edges in Blender using a non-destructive workflow. The bevel modifier is perfect for giving hard surface models a more realistic look by adding a small chamfer or rounded edge that catches highlights nicely. And the great thing is you can add it without permanently changing your geometry. First, make sure your object is selected. You'll know it's selected if it has a clear outline in the viewport and its name is active in the outliner. If nothing is highlighted, simply select the object you want to affect so the modifier knows where to go. This step matters because modifiers always apply to the active selection. Next, head to the Modifiers tab in the Properties editor. Look for the blue wrench icon. This is where Blender organizes all modifiers for the current object. If your layout looks different, don't worry, the wrench icon is consistent across workspaces and takes you directly to the modifier stack for the selected object. Now click Add Modifier. You'll see a list grouped by categories. We're going to choose Bevel from the Generate category. Generate modifiers create or adjust geometry in a procedural way, and Bevel is specifically designed to soften edges by adding new faces along the corners. The moment you add it, you'll instantly see the edges soften in the viewport. That's Blender applying a default bevel across your object. This immediate visual feedback helps you confirm the modifier is in place and working. Because it's non-destructive, nothing is permanently changed. The original mesh remains intact underneath, and you can toggle the modifier on or off at any time. At this point, it's helpful to understand what's happening. The bevel modifier adds width along sharp transitions, creating extra geometry to round them off. This makes surfaces look more natural under lighting and avoids the razor-sharp edges that can feel artificial. If you're preparing assets for rendering, even a subtle bevel can dramatically improve the final look. You can leave it as is for a quick result, or later explore settings like width, segments, or how Blender decides which edges to affect. Keeping it on the modifier stack also means you can reorder it with other modifiers and maintain a flexible, editable pipeline. That's all it takes to add a bevel modifier from the modifier panel. Simple, clean, and entirely non-destructive, perfect for a smart modeling workflow.